the BZ Time Attack isn't just a static model destined for a life on auto show display stands, but a fully functional prototype that Toyota describes as a rolling test bed for the next generation of EV motorsport development. Set to debut at the 2025 SEMA show, the track-focused model features an aggressive body kit with a prominent front splitter and new side skirts. They're joined by extended fenders, a sporty rear diffuser, and a massive rear wing. Besides the body kit, the crossover has been lowered 6 inches, while its track has been expanded by the same amount. This gives the model an aggressive stance, which is amplified by 19-inch BBS Unlimited wheels that are wrapped in Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02 tires. Given the racing ambitions, the interior has been stripped of non-essential equipment. The result is a relatively bare cabin with a chromoly roll cage and OMP HTER racing seats. We can also see a new steering wheel and a shifter that has been relocated to the dash. The concept is based on a 2026 BZ, which now offers 338 horsepower in an all-wheel drive configuration. But Toyota wasn't content with that performance, tuning the electric motors to generate over 400 horsepower, managed by a bespoke ECU program. The suspension is also completely new to improve handling, using Team coilovers and springs, while the brakes are beefed up with an Alcon system and Hawk pads. While Toyota almost certainly won't put a high-performance BZ like the Time Attack into production, the concept proves that Toyota wants to make its future electric cars fun.